One of the questions I'm often asked is, do I need a dash cam in my vehicle? My answer to that would absolutely be yes. Video is always the best evidence if you've been involved in an accident. Now, this is a two-edged sword here, right? If you were at fault for that accident, it can prove your guilt as well there. However, it's always better to have that protection if someone happens to hit you and cause an injury. One of the most common things I get from new clients, they'll call me up and say, hey, they ran a stop sign, the person hit me. That person may have apologized. I have a client I recently signed up. She was driving through an intersection. She got T-boned on the driver's side of her vehicle. After that accident occurred, the other driver came over to her. She said, hey, I am so sorry. The light was red. It was my fault. Are you okay? As soon as that person went back to her car, she called her husband. Her husband came out, and before the police arrived, that story changed from, nope, I didn't run a red light. My light was green. A video cam or dash cam would have prevented any of this from happening, any of this from occurring. The video evidence about who caused the accident, when that accident was caused, and who was at fault is critical. The small chance that you might be at fault because you are driving around with the dash cam is fine. You have coverage for that. You buy your own automobile coverage insurance, bodily injury protection. You should be covered. But God forbid someone hurts you or injures you and puts you into a hospital. It is critical for you to have that saved piece of evidence. I can't tell you how many cases I've had where drivers had dash cams. We were able to prove our case and get the policy limits from the jump because the insurance companies knew that they couldn't lie their way out of this one. If you've been involved in a car accident or have a question about a dash cam, give me a call. I'm happy to talk you through the pros and cons and definitely fight for you and get the justice you deserve.